have water in it.
No, I'm saying like.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Nice!
What happened?
Oh, the plumber! Like, why are you... What?
Like, look. Zach, what are you doing? Oh my gosh! Like,
That's how you do it.
Bro, I was doing it like that!
Bro.
It's on you!
this is
Stop! Can you stop it? Yes or no? Like, I don't know what to do.